In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to use VEO 3 to create viral videos. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to go here into deepmind.google and then slash model slash VEO. Or if you can't do this, then you can go into google.com, search for VEO 3 and go into Google DeepMind. Once you're here, you can try it in Gemini or you could try it in Flow, depending on which one you would like to use. But I suggest that you go for Flow if you would want the highest quality possible, because Gemini is more of a quicker process but less quality, so it's more of a rapid generation or production of videos. So if you'd want highest quality as possible, I recommend Flow. So let's go into Flow. Since we're creating highly engaging or viral content, then we should focus on quality. So I'm going to click here on Create with Flow. And the niche that I will be creating a viral video on would be ASMR, because I think they are really exploding in views as of this date. So I'm going to click here on New Project. And now I'm going to go here into text to video. You could also go for frames to video if you'd want to, or ingredients to video, but this is only available in Ultra. And next is that you want to make sure that you modify the model in here. And then from here is that you want to go for this one right here, VEO 3 quality. So we would want to focus on quality to get the viral video. And then you could go for outputs per prompt. You can go for 1, 2, 3, or 4. So if you'd want to save credits as much as possible, then you want to go for 1, so that you'd be able to save credits. And take note that each generation uses 100 credits. So this is a lot actually. But the quality that you'd be getting here is also very good. So you will not be regretting it. But yeah, just make sure that your prompt is all good. So I'm just gonna go and paste my prompt in here. So this is my prompt. You can also get your prompt in ChatGPT. You will find it there. It's just like this prompt right here that I have got from ChatGPT. But as for this one, actually, is that I'm just gonna go for the VEO 3 fast, so that it will only be 20 credits. So yeah, since this is just a tutorial, I'm just gonna go settle with this model. But of course, if you're using it on real projects, go for quality. This is what I recommend to get the highest quality possible. And also take note that you can see your credits in here. So be mindful of your credits so that you'd not be able to run out of them. And then once you are all done with your settings, click here on generate or this arrow icon. And all that's left now is to wait for this one. And then we will now be able to play it and see what it got for us. All right, the video is now done. And this is the ASMR video that I have created using this prompt right here. So let's play it and let's see the results. And you could actually hear the audio here in the video. So this is also one of the beauties of VEO 3, because you can get the audio. As you can see, they are still in beta, so they are yet to be updated with the better version. But I think as of now, it really works great. So yeah, you would be able to create ASMR videos like this on whatever idea you might have in mind, like slicing a transparent golden apple, something like that. So imagination is the limit in here. So that's it. And then for the few features here is that you have the add to scene, and then we'll be discussing that later on. And then for this one, we have the download button, wherein you'd be able to download this as animated GIF at the lowest resolution. You can go for original size at 720p, or you can upscale this to 1080p. If you go for the quality version or model in here, you'd be able to get higher quality on your generation. But of course, yes, it would cost you more credits. So yeah, once you're now done with that, you can now click here in add to scene if you would like to add a continuous scene. So when you click on that, you will be prompted into the scene builder. And from here, you can basically have a simple editor right here. So you can click here on the plus button, and then you would be able to go for extend or jump to. So you could extend this clip if you'd want to, or you could extend this video, or you could jump to right here. So basically, you could just write out what happens, and then the scenes jumps into something that you have in mind. Or you could go for extend. So this is what would happen when you click on extend. So you can just type out what you would like to happen next after the scene. Once you're all done, you can now click here on the download button, and then you'd now be able to download that, or you could go for full screen if you'd want to. So that's it on how you could create viral videos on VEO 3. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.